Hello everyone. Welcome to Gagan Online Academy. In this session, I am going to explain some important questions for Senior Inter Maths 2A from the chapter Binomial Theorem. These all are 7-mark questions. Let us begin our class. If the second, third, and fourth terms in the expansion of a plus x whole to the power of n are respectively 240, 720 and 1080. Then find the value of a, x and n. So this is the question for 7 marks, frequently asked in AP and TS intermediate board. Here, to solve this question, we have to use the formula for general term. T r plus 1 is equal to NCR into x to the power of n minus r into y to the power of r. This is the general term. Using this, you can find any term in the expression. See, now we are given second term, third term, fourth term. From this information, we have to find a, x and n value. Excuse me. Second term in a plus x whole to the power of n. That is 240. It is given 240. So now we are writing second term as T2. T2 is equal to T1 plus 1. We have to write like this, T1 plus 1. NCR. R means this one is R. First term A. This is first term. This x is second term. After that, subtract this R from n. That means n minus R. Here write n minus R. Write this R on x. So NCR a to the power of n minus R x to the power. Here you know coefficients NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3. These are the coefficients. This is first term. This is NC1 second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. See here, when the term is 1, this R value NCR, R value is 0. When the term is 2, here 2, second term, means here R value 1. Third term, for third term, R value is 2. Like that, here second term means R value 1. Right? That's why I wrote 1. I hope you understood clearly. Now let us continue this. So this is given equal to 240. Now I am just writing NCR a to the power of n minus r x to the power of r, that is equal to 240. Say this equation is 1. In the same way, let us take another condition. Third term in ax plus whole to the power of n, that is 720. T3, third term is T3. It is written as T2 plus 1. R value is 2 here. Now, NC R value is 2. So, NC2. Third term means R value must be less than that 3. Less than that 3 by 1. So, first term A, second term X. Subtract this 2 from n. N minus 2. Right here, n minus 2. Write this 2 on the X. This is equal to 720. Okay, this is the second expression, second equation. Third equation. Here, fourth term in a plus x whole to the power of n. Fourth term is here T4, T3 plus 1. That is NC R value is 3. R value is 3. First term a, second term x, n minus 3, give this power to a, write this base here. So once again I am writing nc3 a to the power of n minus 3 x cube. This is equal to 720. Say this is equation 3. So after writing these three equations, you have to divide second equation by first equation and third equation by second equation. Let me clear this. Now we have to divide second equation by first equation. Second equation is nc2 a to the power of n minus 2 x square by first equation is nc1 a to the power of n minus 1 x to the power of 1. So here values are 720, here 240. We are dividing second equation by first equation. Now 0 gets cancelled, 24 ones, 24 threes. Here this we have to simplify this nc2 by nc1. This is the most crucial thing. I will make it clear. So you know NCR formula, factorial n by factorial n minus r into factorial r. Using this, we have to simplify this nc2 by nc1. nc2 by nc1. Right. nc2 using this formula, factorial n by factorial n minus 2. Their difference we have to take. N minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. In the same manner, I am writing for NCN. Write first n factorial by n minus 1 factorial into the factorial of base, that is 1 factorial. Here, this n factorial gets cancelled. This term goes up, this term comes down. That means n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. Now, to simplify this, observe this thing, that is 5 factorial. 5 factorial can be written like this: 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Or you can write it as 5 into 4 factorial also you can write. So this 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 can be replaced by 4 factorial. Or you can write it 5 into 4 into, you can write this 3 into 2 into 1 as 3 factorial. In the same manner, now n minus 1 after we get n minus 2. n minus 1 after n minus 2. Next term is n minus 3. Next term is n minus 4. So now n minus 1. I am expanding this n minus 1. I am writing in descending order. So n minus 1. After that we get n minus 2. Here put factorial symbol. Why I stopped here means in denominator we have n minus 2 factorial. To cancel it out, we have to write only up to n minus 2 factorial. 1 factorial is 1 only. So 1 I wrote there. Then n minus 2 factorial write as is into 2 factorial, 2 into 1. Now see n minus 2 factorial gets cancelled. In numerator we left with n minus 1 by 2 1 jar. So by simplifying nc2 by nc1, we got n minus 1 by 2. That I am writing here n minus 1 by 2. Next. Now here a base is a, here also base is a, using a power m by a power n. Right? You know a power m minus formula. When m greater than n greater than n. Otherwise, we use this formula: a power m by a power n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n minus m when n greater than n. Right? Now here, simply see first write here a right. In numerator we have n minus 2. Okay, this is the power of a, n minus 2. This one, send to numerator. Plus n becomes minus n. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. Plus n minus n gets cancelled. A minus 2 plus 1. 1 minus 1 plus means subtraction. 2 minus 1 means 1. 2 is larger number. Its symbol is minus. A power minus 1 can be written as 1 by. That means here we have to write 1 by a. Next. In numerator we have 2 x's. Right? Here 1x. So by cancelling, we left 1x in numerator. This is equal to 3. So n minus 1 into x. Send this 2a this side. So these are dividing this side. So if we send that side, they will multiply. 2a into 3. 2a into 3 is 6a. So n minus 1 into x is 6a. Say this equation is 4. Divide equation 3 by equation 2. Equation 3 is nc3 a to the power of n minus 3 into x cube whole divided by second equation, that is nc2 a power n minus 2 into x square. This is equal to, in third equation we are given this number 1080. In second equation we are given 703. Now divide this 0 gets cancelled. 9 8 ja, 9 ones, 9 twos, 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja. So we got 3 by 2 here. This side nc3 by nc. Now we have to simplify. nc3 by nc. See, I am writing factorial n by n minus 3. Difference of these two. N minus 3 factorial. Next 3 factorial. Again here factorial n by difference of these two. That is n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now this factorial gets cancelled. This term goes up. That means n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial by this term comes down. N minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Now in the last expression I explained n minus 2 after what do we get? N minus 3. So I am writing n minus 3 and put factorial form. 2 factorial means 2 into 1 by write n minus 3 factorial as this into 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. This 2 into 1 cancel, 2 into 1 gets cancelled. Now this n minus 3 factorial gets cancelled. In numerator we are left with n minus 2 by 3. So here I am writing n minus 2 by 3. Now a terms here, a to the power of n minus 3, a to the power of n minus 2. N minus 2 is greater than n minus 3, right? So that's why it comes in denominator. N minus 3, a power n minus 3. Next, send this n minus 2 to numerator. So this will become minus n, minus 2 becomes plus 2. So plus n minus n gets cancelled. A power 3 minus 2 means 1. 3 is larger number, so minus. A power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by a. Here, cancel this x's. Here we have 3 x's, here 2 x's. So 1x is left in numerator. So write in x numerator. And this is equal to 3 by 2. So send this to this side. Okay. This will become 2 into n minus 2 into x. That is equal to 3a. Send this side. It multiplies by 3. 3 3 are 9a. So on right side we have to keep a's. In earlier case 6a. Now we got 9a. So x terms on left side, a terms on right side. Say this is equation 5. Excuse me. Now divide this equation 5 by 4. Equation 5 is 2 into n minus 2 into x is equal to 9a. Equation 4. Equation 4 is n minus 1 into x into x. That is equal to 6a. Okay. This is fifth equation. This is fourth equation. Now x gets cancelled. Here a gets cancelled. 3 3s, 3 2 ja 6. Now cross multiply this 2 into 2, right? 2 to the cross multiply diagonally. 2 to the 4, 4 into n minus 2. This is equal to 3 into n minus 1. 3 into n minus 1. Here 4n minus 4 to the 8. 3 into n, 3n minus 3 1. So arrange the n terms on left side. Send this 3n plus 3n, it becomes minus 3. That is equal to minus 3. Send this minus 8 this side, this will become plus 8. 4n minus 3n, that is 1n, that is 8 plus 8 minus 3, 5. So n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. After that, now substitute this n value in equation 4. Substitute n is equal to 5 in equation 4. Equation 4 is n minus 1 into x is equal to 6. So in that, n is in the place of n, I am writing 5 minus 1 into x, that is equal to 6a. 5 minus 1, 4. 4x is equal to 6a. From this, x is equal to 6 by 4. 2 3 is 2. So x is equal to 3 by 2a. Again, substitute this in equation 1. Put this x is equal to 3 by 2a in equation 1. Equation 1 is nc1 x to the power of a to the power of n minus 1 into x power 1, that is 2 part. So in this, n value is 5, so I am writing 5c1 a to the power of n minus 1 into x value is 3 by 2a, 3 by 2a. This is equal to 2 part. 5c1 is 5. Earlier I told you in the beginning lesson, 5c1 is 5. Next, a to the power of, in the place of n, I place 5. 5 minus 1. So here n value is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. A power 4. Here a 3 by 2. Send this side. It will become 2 by 3. Now 5. A power 4 and a power 1. That is a to the power of 5. A to the power of 5 is equal to 3 ones. 3 8 ja 24, 0. That is 160. Again, a power 5 is equal to 160 by 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 there. So a power 5 is 32. A power 5 is 32. Write this 32 as 2 power 5. So 5 powers are equal, then bases should be equalized. So a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Now substitute this a value. Now substitute this a value in equation. Substitute a is equal to 2 in the equation. X is equal to 3a by 2. This is sixth equation. So in this sixth equation, substitute a is equal to in the equation number 6. Now x is equal to 3 into a value is 2. 2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. We got 3. So x is equal to 3. Earlier we got n is equal to 5. Right? N is equal to 5. X is equal to 3. And finally, a value is 2. A value is here only